Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I'm going to be posting my video of my hair care, skincare, and makeup products that I bought in Korea. I did just get back from Korea. I was there for about 2.5 weeks in May, so I didn't really post about it that much over here just because, yeah, I don't like telling people where I am, but I did post a little bit more on my Instagram, so follow me over there at Eat, Stretch, Explore if you're interested in what I get up to in a more timely fashion. That being said, if you do watch my vlog series here on the channel, let me know if you want me to just jump ahead to my Korea vlogs and then fill in my other travels and cruises and stuff after I finish my Korea vlogs, just because Korea changes a lot faster than some of the other things that I post about. So I did do a lot of shopping, so I'm going to have quite a few different haul videos because I don't want you to be sitting here for like 5 hours watching me like show everything. So this one is going to be about hair care, skincare, and makeup, but I do have one that's going to be about household goods, one about stationery, and then also one about clothing and accessories, that sort of thing. So if any of that's interesting to you, stay tuned and consider subscribing and putting the bell icon on, etc. All of that out of the way, let me just get started by also telling you the conversion rate. So about 1,000 Korean won was about 75 cents in the US dollar. So if I tell you that something is 1,000 won, it was 75 cents, or if I tell you that something was like 10,000 won, it was $7.50 US. So I'm going to just jump in so I don't take up more of your day. I did do a little bit of hair care shopping, so if you watch my videos when I do unboxings and things, I say that I don't really use that much stuff on my hair, and that is true. I have been using a little bit more these days, but I also am like, my hair is very fickle and I don't want it to continue falling out, so as you can see, it's kind of growing back now, but I'm just like want to make sure that I don't lose any more than I've already lost. So I did buy some items that are my tried and true products from Korea. So again, if I have any links, I'll try to link you below so you can see other people's reviews. But whenever I go or when I'm living there, I always stock up on this product. So Mise-en-scène, this is like one of the classic Korean hair care products. It's not like super fancy or anything. You could buy it like in any shop. So actually my friend and I went shopping in like a big box store. So we went to HomePlus. There's plenty of other big box stores, but that's where we went. And this one is the damage care treatment. So this one I always use. So like even when I was in college, like when I went to Yonsei, I used this product. It's been around for so long. But I did buy this one, and it's a huge bottle actually. It's 330 mLs, and I bought it for like I think around 7,000 won, which was a really good price, especially because this tube is huge compared to what I usually get, and also compared to the price at Olive Young. That being said though, Olive Young typically does have pretty good sets. One of the other items in here that I bought at HomePlus wasn't as good of a deal as I would have gotten at Olive Young, but I was already there buying this, so I had this. And then my friend recommended I tried this one, and it was also from HomePlus. It's the Aging Care Treatment. So I haven't tried this one myself, so I'm going to let you know how I think about it. Similar price point there, and also the same size. So again, these tubes were like huge, like humongo compared to what I usually buy, so I was really excited when I got that good price. The next product is from Automatica. So this one you can buy on Amazon, and that's where I buy it if I'm not in Korea. It is the authorized place to buy it, so I'll try to link you below if you want to see reviews and things. But this line is actually pretty good for my hair and my scalp concerns, so it's pretty good for people who need scalp care issues. So this is the Rosemary 3-in-1 treatment, and I did buy this. It was on sale. I think it was around 12,000. But I do like this product. I probably should have bought more, but like I was trying to conserve weight and like stuff, especially because I know I can buy this on Amazon. So this one was a pretty good deal. So the sister product here is looking a little bit squished from my suitcase, but this is the Rosemary Root Enhancer product, and this is the spray, and I use this one a lot more actually than this treatment product because I see a lot more benefits in my particular condition from this product. But this was also on sale. I think it was also around 12,000 if I'm remembering correctly. It wasn't like below 10. I can't remember fully actually, but it did come with some extra free gifts. So it came with this skincare headband and then also some stickers for decorating your bottle. But basically it was a better price to buy it with this like extra free gift set than if you buy it flat out. So I also really wanted to buy a skincare headband, so the fact that it came with it was like I could save extra money that way. But let me show you it. So this is what the product looks like. So they have been changing the bottle up a little bit. So it looks a little bit different than my MD's video that I haven't posted yet, I don't think. Okay, and then this is the skincare headband. So again, I was going to buy a skincare headband anyway, so this saved me like a few thousand won. The fact that it was in here as a free gift. So I think this one is actually a Kakao Friends. I think I may have said that it was a Line Friends, but it's a character. But yeah, anyway, Kakao Friends is like a messaging app from Korea. And then it also came with these stickers as well. So So this was a pretty good deal, and I'm pretty happy with it because, again, I use these products all the time and I did run out. So the next product here is from Vanilla Co, and I did not get a good deal on this. I bought this at Olive Young, and I thought it was a good deal because it was on sale, but it didn't have anything free with it or anything like that. And then also within the department store, the top few floors are actually duty free. You can get a really good price on Vanilla Co items. I think it was $13 for this, which is a pretty good price. But yeah, anyway, I bought this at Olive Young and I will use it. I just kind of am bummed that I paid a little bit too much for it. I think I paid about $15 for it, so I mean, it's not that bad of a deal, but it's also like I could have saved extra money. Anyway, I got this. Oh, the other thing is, if you're shopping in Korea as well, my friends from Europe always say this is like too much of a hassle, but like what else am I gonna do at the airport? But there is actually global tax-free shopping at some of the stores. You just have to go and look at if they're participating or not. So I always took advantage of that. So in planning my shopping trips, I wanted to make sure that I had already like selected the items I was going to buy, and then they also need to be over 30,000 won total for that particular shopping trip. Sometimes you can actually get the tax-free right at the point of sale, but sometimes you do have to collect your receipts and then do it at the airport or at one of the kiosks or something. So keep that in mind, I guess, if you are going to go shopping. It is kind of a little bit of a hassle, but it also sometimes saves you up to 8%. So depending on what you're buying or how much you're buying, it may be worth it. So I did get money back at the airport, so that was nice. And then sometimes I also got money back at point of sale as well. So all that is to say that I did get my money back at the point of sale for taxes. So I think it came out to be about even. No, it didn't. I'm trying to tell myself that I saved money that I didn't save. I was digging in my bag of treasures. So here is the next one. So this was everything that I bought from Missha. So Missha is like a road shop, but actually a lot of the road shops are more expensive than I remembered them being. I don't know. I was even there for some of like the sale days, and I was like, dang, these gut prices are a little bit high. But yeah, anyway, so I went to Missha. It was a sale day, and then also the particular location I went to was in Coex Mall, and they were having a sale, and they also were global tax free. So I got 10 plus 10 for these. They were 9,900 won for the 20 sheet masks, which is a pretty good price. And I always like to pick these up because they make good like little gifts, and they also are like really nice to have just in general. So I got the honey ones, and honey is good for, it's formulated with vitamin, mineral, and amino acid rich honey extract, makes skin looking healthier and radiant. And then the rice one here, I got two of my favorite ones. The rice one here is with the rice extract. It smooths skin texture while offering a translucent radiance to the complexion. So I thought both of these were really good, and I do like the Missha fit actually for my face shape. So even if my friends, I don't have that many friends, don't use them all, I'll have some for myself as well. So again, that was a pretty good price. And then I also picked up some sun care products. So they have sun cream and they also have sun milk. The sun milk is really famous actually. I just don't personally like it for my skin. But it's more of like a liquidy texture if you like that. It's really lightweight and it feels really nice. I just don't like how it feels on my skin in particular. So I did buy the sunscreen. So these are going to be the aqua line. So there are 3 different types. There's a pink one, a blue one, and a green one, I believe. And then I asked the worker which one was the best seller, and she did tell me the aqua one is the best, and that was the one I was going for anyway. But these are SPF 50 plus and have a PA++++. So according to my friend from Singapore, the PAs here are like the protection from getting your skin darker from the sun rays. So the higher the plus value, the less likely it is that your skin is going to get darker. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what she told me. I just know that it is something on like Asian sunscreen products that they put the PA++++ or whatever on it as well. But this was the all-around safe block Aqua Sun. So this is a hydrating sunscreen infused with aquaporin active formula. Delivers a burst of moisture as soon as you apply it to hydrate the skin without a sticky feeling. So I did buy this and they were a good price, 1 + 1 for 15,000. And Korean sunscreens work better for my skin than a lot of the American ones, just because it doesn't feel as greasy to me. It does feel like you have coverage, but it also like doesn't feel greasy. And then because I was trying to hit my 30,000 for my tax-free, I did add on this product, but it's okay because I did have it on my list of something I wanted to refill, and that was powder products. So this is the Pro Touch Powder Pact from Missha, and I have darker skin, so mine is the number 23, and this is what I got. It felt really nice, so it does have a mirror, and it comes with the classic puff, and then this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a powder foundation type product. I did like how it felt. It felt really smooth on my skin, and I haven't tried this product yet, so I was kind of excited to try it, especially because I was looking for a powder product with my skin condition the way it is. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I think this was around 7,000 won. I'm just being fully transparent. I did buy some Daiso puffs because I forgot mine at my house. So these were 1,000 won, and they're just like the cotton puffs. And actually the Daiso ones are pretty good these days. I remember when I lived there, they kind of disintegrated, but these are pretty good. And they were 1,000 won for 100 of them. This one just didn't really have a home, so I did buy this at Daiso, and it's 2,000 won. But back in the day, you could only buy the W Dress Room brand from Olive Young. I think you can actually buy it on Amazon as well, but I really like these home scent products. Actually, this probably should go on my homeware product line, but this one is the Citrus Aqua scent, and it was 2,000 won, and it was really nice. So part of the issue in Korea is like sometimes your laundry doesn't dry fast enough, so there's a lot of like scented products that you can spray on your clothing. My friend really loves the Korean Downy because it's like very different than like she can get at her home, and like kind of different than what I think we can get in the US. Actually, they have like spray ones, I don't know. Anyway, so I bought this because I just needed it, and also because it smelled so good. They had about 5 or 6 different scents, and they were all 2,000 won, and it's a pretty good price. This is the other hair care product that I bought at HomePlus, and this was the one I did not get a good deal on. So I paid, I think, around 12,000 for it, and normally that would be a good price, except for that they were running a promotion at Olive Young actually for buy one, like 1+1. So you got like this and then like a smaller size one for the same price. So I mean, I'm fine with the purchase, but it's also like it would have been nice to get another little mini one. But this is the perfect serum, and I really do like this product, and again, I've been using it since college. I just like putting it at the end of my hair, like at the end, so it doesn't get dry and stuff like that. And it's also really nice because I have a lot of like flyaways and stuff, so this product I'll always continue repurchasing as long as it's available. So then the next couple of things are just little gifts that I picked up. So these are moisturizing heel patches, and they're 1,000 won each. Honestly, I kind of want to keep some for myself, but I bought 2 of them, and there's 2 different heel patches in here, and they're supposed to be good for just conditioning the back heel where it gets really rough. So I got these as like fun little gifts, like little trinket gifts for like Christmas and holiday gifts. And then I also had on my list to buy some Korean nail polishes because I do like Korean nail polishes. That being said, my favorite brand I don't think sells them anymore. A lot of stuff has changed. So that being said, I did buy these at Daiso. They were 2,000 won each, and then this one's the Wonbun Just 1 Minute Solid, and I got it in the... I sat here so long trying to tell you which colors I got it. I can't tell you what colors I got it. I don't see it anywhere on here actually. So I got these Wonbun. So these ones are like, it takes 1 minute, and then Korean Wonbun is 1 minute. So yeah, anyway, just 1 minute. I got one in solid, and this one's like kind of a gray, sort of neutral. And then I also got a glitter one, which is kind of like a translucent topper. But you could also wear it as a solid. So with like 3 coats, they looked really nice actually. So I got 2 of them, and each of them was 2,000 won. I bought 2 of the same ones, but I wanted to get some aegyosa liner things, so I meant to get 2 different ones, and then I ended up grabbing 2 of the same, so hopefully it works well. But I got the volume eyeliner one, and this one is the volume beige, and this one is 2,000 won each. So again, they had multiple different like number options, so varieties, and I just grabbed 2 of the same one because I'm a dum-dum. But hopefully they work. So basically it gives you like an aegyosa look if you draw it on, and this one looked pretty subtle compared to some of the other brands. But again, this one's from Daiso, so hopefully it works well. We'll see, because Daiso is like a dollar store. I don't know if I just said that or if you don't know. Daiso is basically like the dollar store. Stuff was like anywhere from 1,000 won to like, you know, 5,000 won or something like that. This is the final makeup product that I bought from Daiso. This is from Twinkle Pop, and my understanding is that it's Club Clio, and I have some Clio products here, and I also like Clio products. Twinkle Pop, I believe, is their lower price point offering for like Daiso. So they had quite a few items there, and I did buy this quad eyeshadow palette. I got mine in the pink layer one. They did have one that was like brown, but I figured I have so many other brown ones here at my house that I would rather just get this pink one, because oftentimes the pinks that I get in like BoxyCharm and things are really like vibrant, and I want like a subtle pink. So this one is what it looks like here. So it has a quad again, and they're like really subtle. But the thing is with the glitters or the shimmer shades here, the Korean one is like really subtle, but it's really shimmery, and I do like that. And I did do a swatch test of the sample that was in the store, and I did like this one. A few other color palettes as well. I just like the pink one the most. And then I have 4 final items that I bought at the Olive Young. This one is from Laneige, and this is the Neo Cushion. And this one is, I think, a new product actually. I got this one because I was looking for a new cushion foundation. Oh yeah, they also had the Twinkle Pop cushion foundations as well. I was kind of tempted, but I had already bought this one. I was like, I can't justify buying so many. But yeah, so anyway, this one is in 23N1 Sand. So again, I have darker skin, so I got the N23. And then this one is like this. Okay, so it comes with this Neo dot here, and this is how you can actually use it really conveniently. It's how you can use the pump really easily. So I haven't used this yet, obviously, so you put the dot here on the little compact. So I will be using this eventually. I'll just need to read up about how to apply it and things. A little bit expensive. It was $30,000 and it didn't come with a refill, so hopefully I'm able to refill this product. I don't know, I didn't look into that. I should have done that. But this one is Laneige Cream Skin Serapeptide Refiner, and this is like a new product for them. So I'm actually excited to use this as well. It looks like a nice little lotion. So this is from Goodal. So this is a little bit of a gift set as well. It was also on sale. I believe Goodal is from Club Clio as well. So I got a lot of Clio products while I'm looking at this. So they must be a new powerhouse in Korean skincare and like beauty. But yeah, so anyway, reason why I got this is because I heard some pretty good things about the dark spot care line from them. So I have a lot of dark spots actually from like my acne and then also sun damage and just aging in general. So I heard that this actually works pretty well within like 4 weeks. So I'll let you know how I think about it. But it also came with a sample size of the tone-up cream and then the serum as well. So I'm actually quite excited to try this out. It has SPF 50 plus and PA++++. So that's pretty nice that it's both a vitamin C tone-up cream with the UV protection as well. And yeah, that's about it for this. I think it was around $12,000, I believe. I can't remember, so don't quote me on the prices. I also bought this, and this one was just because I lost self-control at the end, because I was like, I have so many lip products and I just like don't use them all, but this looks so nice. And when I swatched it, it felt really nice as well. But this is from Amuse. It's the Gel Fit Tint, and this was like kind of trendy when I was there, and it was also on sale. I was there also for the Olive Young days, so that was lucky as well. But I got mine in the shade Oat Fig. This wasn't the most popular shade, but the most popular one was really pink, and like my skin tone isn't like the 21, so like in Korea there's a couple of makeup colors, and 21 is the most like famous one because it's like for the white skin people, and I have darker skin. So anyway, the bestseller probably would go well with people who are 21, but I'm not. I'm a 23. This one is on Oat Fig again, so this is number 5. I'll try to find a link for it, but like this is what it looks like here. But I was super impressed by how it looked, and also I liked that the packaging's twisted, so this is what it looks like. I'll do a little swatch here. I don't want to waste it, so that's what it looks like. So I thought it was a really wearable shade for me. And this is what it looks like. So it is a little bit of a glossy kind of finish, but it is a really nice product. I think that was around 10 or 11. I have 2 final products. So this one here I haven't tried yet is from Clio. It's the Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara. So there were 3 different types. I bought this one. So this is the number 3 sleek volume one, because this is for people with like stubby thin lashes, and that's what I have. There is one for people with just like short lashes, and then one for I think people that just have like normal lashes. But anyway, that's what I got, was this one. It was 1+1, so buy one get one free. This was honestly a little expensive. I think it was around 20. And then this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I do have quite a few mascaras open right now, but I did hear pretty good things about this and that they're pretty waterproof. And if my last and final product, which is my holy grail item here, if this is any sort of indication about how this mascara will be, I'm pretty set, because I do have problems with my watery eyes and like my allergy eyes causing my liners and my mascaras to run and give me like panda eyes or raccoon eyes. I call them raccoon eyes, but my friend calls them panda eyes. This is the Super Proof Pen Liner in Kill Black. So I always get this whenever I go, and it's 1+1. So this one I think was around 12, and I thought it was a pretty good price because also I needed some replacements because I don't actually have that many liners left. And this is what it looks like. They did do a little bit of an upgrade on the packaging, or just an update rather, and I don't know if it's an upgrade. That is everything that I bought when I was in Korea in terms of hair care, skincare, and makeup. I think I stayed in a reasonable place here. I didn't go super hog wild, but that's also because I was like, I have so much stuff at home. If I would have been like, I didn't have all this makeup and stuff from like my BoxyCharms and my Allure beauty box, I probably would have bought a little bit more if I'm being honest, just because I typically do like Korean skincare products, but I knew I had a lot in my collection here at home. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Let me know if there are any of these products that you've tried yourself yourself, or if you have any that you want me to prioritize using, because I will be trying to throw them into my vlogs and like get ready with me's and things like that, and kind of give you some first impressions and things as I use them. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.